Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its heated front seats. You have your heated steering wheel as well as your power sliding rear doors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you'll see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up, just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. And then taking a closer look just at the second row here, I'm just going to close in on it for you. So as you can see, you have 3 additional seats here. If you're not actually using this middle seat, you can actually have it removed out of there to make things a little bit easier for you to access the third row, which I'll show you a little bit later on here. Sunshade visors just located in the second row windows, and one of the nice things that have been added to the all-new Sienna is that you have this handle that extends from the top to the bottom here, which makes things a little bit easier for people who have trouble actually getting into the vehicle, like small children or somebody a little bit older. Now, you do have the close button just located down below here. All you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids or possibly yourself getting your hand or arm jammed to the door, it has the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does senses there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop opening itself up. And if you want to actually close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray cloth interior with your power driver seat. Over on the left-hand side, you have your automatic high beams with your heated steering wheel, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, as well as your lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. Now, as you can see, it does have the hazard lights as well as your push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also go through and take a look at your lane departure alert, audio, trip info with energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring, settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on or off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features. And you'll finish with your messages menu. Now, it does have an exterior temperature gauge as well as a digital clock, and then if you take a closer look at the center dash area, you're going to see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the menu screen, you have your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, inside the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, down below, you do have the dual zone climate control settings with the rear temperature controls, heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. As you can see, you have a shelf that actually extends from your driver to passenger side, which is nice because you can place smaller items on there, or if you'd like, you can actually place your phone just up top here just while it's connected to the USB. It's mounted to a automatic transmission. As you can see, you have your EV and drive mode. And one of the nice things that has been added in with these all-new Siennas is that you actually have this built-in center console area here, where you have plenty of cargo area just located in the back here. In previous gen models, this actually used to be open space here with just your center console farther back here. But you still have some space located down below there just in case you want to place some items down below. And you also have a power outlet connected or located down there as well. If you take a closer look up top, you have your open and close for the power sliding rear doors. And taking a look now at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lights in there, making things much easier for you when you're back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just on the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located underneath. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your third row. So in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. Even with the 60 side up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below here. And if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.